Sure, that's the plan. I just said, no, my couple for Good afternoon, His Royal Majesty. It's been a few weeks since I came here. First, to wish His Royal Majesty a happy new year and also to seek his blessings for the year. When I came, I also mentioned that we are transitioning. After 1 year, we are moving from the Vodafone brand to the Telecel brand. We have done that. And I remember when we came, His Royal Majesty offered kindly that after we have done that and the Telecel group visits, he would have audience with them. And so it's an honor to be here with him today, and we will introduce our team. The entire team is here. It's a very high-powered delegation from Telecel Group. So with your permission, if we can do the introduction. So the reason why we are here is first to present our leadership team to him, and secondly to seek his blessings going forward. His Royal Majesty, I'd like to introduce our group board chair for Telecel Group. So he's Nicholas Borg. So that's our group board chair.
Thank you.
And we also have our group CEO, Mo Damush. Then we have our group chief operating officer, Malek Akisi. We have our group chief of staff, Elena. Then we have the Telecel Ghana HR director. She's not new to us, Shilkai Akron. Operating officer, Mohammed Gada. We have the board representative from Telecel Group, Hussein Rifai. Director, Rita Roxy, also in charge of our foundation. We have our executive head, who I came here with the other day, Masiedu, is also here with us. So this is our group CEO to say a few words.
Your Royal Majesty, thank you so much for giving us the time in this honored place. We're so much honored to have to be here with the Telecel's team. We have started in Ghana since 1 year, and since that time we had a lot of support from Your Majesty, and during this time we just wanted to come and to say thank you for all the support. We have heard as well the messages of Your Majesty about the protection of the employees in the company, something which we have taken very seriously, and we are in that direction and under the blessings of Your Majesty in order to protect the rights of the employees and to avoid any layoffs in the company. At the same time, we heard about Your Majesty's initiative and to revamp the hospital in the region, something which we appreciate a lot. We consider that this initiative is very important for the region, and as such, we would like to contribute as Telecel Group with 200,000 CDs in that initiative. At the same time, I want to confirm our commitment to continue in the sponsorship of the golf tournament, as we used to be in the past years. Of course, this year is going to be very special with the 25th anniversary. I want to congratulate Your Majesty in advance about this anniversary, and also we understand that there will be a series of events. We'll see how we can contribute to that as well, and we look forward to be part of it as well. We came with a very special pen. It's a gift for Your Majesty, and this pen represents the royalty, and it's handcrafted, special edition from by well-known designer in France, from where we came from, and we hope you accept this nice gift, which can mark Your Majesty's royalty on any signature, any future signatures, and we look forward for your continuous support and your blessings for the success of Telecel. Thank you.
You are that woman.
But
Yo.
thank you for coming, and I thank you for coming to introduce the new members of your new company.
Yo.
It's been a long journey from TNT, Postal Telecom, to Ghana Telecom, to Vodafone, and now Telecel.
Yo.
But it's now my concern was with Pat when it was being changed, and I said, "Are you sure you have a very good partner who is taking over?"
Yo.
He assured me that yes. And are you sure that my people are going to be looked after? And she said yes, all the assurances have been given.
Yo.
The new infusion of investment in that, and she assured me that yes, that is also on the table.
Yo.
With all these assurances from her, I welcome you, gentlemen, and I believe strongly that joining the family of Ghana,
Yo.
you become part of us. Ghana Telecom, before Vodafone and all, was the only telecommunication company that we had before MTN and others all came in later.
Yo.
But I realized that MTN has surpassed Vodacom, and now you've come at a time that we feel that the infusion of capital and technology and new innovations would help to build this company up again.
Yo.
You carry the majority shares, and therefore you come in at a time where I need training for my people, and then the technology transfer and everything must be there for them. But also, you come at a time when only yesterday we couldn't have internet connection and everything, and Wi-Fi and all that.
Yeah.
When you come, so the investment in that area has been your experience. I think only yesterday or 2 days ago, you must have experienced that.
Yo.
Therefore, we expect that this partnership would be, this new takeover will to the benefit of Ghana and to my people and to your company also.
Yo.
These are some of the issues that I raised with her before you came. And listening at the group chief executive, I believe strongly that you're ready to take over from here. Even though 1 year, I said to her within 1 year, you have not asserted yourself properly, so I've not seen the change that I'm seeing. I
Yo.
expect that from now on that you've appeared before me with the group chairman who takes the decision of the money in the boardroom. I expect that from now on things will change and everything will be okay.
Yo.
Ghana is advancing digital technology, digital advancement, and therefore you are in that area where the vice president, everybody is talking about digitalization, and I know that enhances development also.
Yo.
In these days, Momo sending money digitally and all those things, even registration of births digitally or everything.
Yo.
Digitalization. So it makes it a global world where we rely on your technology now to advance the course of development of this country and everywhere in the whole world. And so we're coming in at a time where the challenges are there, and Vodafone is not taking it, not the majority share is with MTN and you. I hope that within the next 5 years you will catch up in relation to the technology that you introduce here and the advancement of your company. So I welcome you, but then this is just a beginning of our relationship.
Yo.
You can be sure that I'll be monitoring to follow and then get back to you. If you ask Pat, I always am on her to find out what's happening.
Yo.
And therefore, I can assure you of my support, but support in terms of you developing it and lifting this company up again.
Yo.
And so we will support you in anyhow for the advancement of Ghana. And I have the confidence in her. The chief executive here, Patricia, is someone who, I'm very pleased with her.
Yo.
She's more experienced, knowledgeable, and everything. She's held the fort up to this time, and the people who are there have held the fort up to this time.
Yo.
So I would want all the assurance that they will be looked after properly, and then the work will be done. They can do it. They did it before you came. And And I believe that with the infusion of your experience and their experience and everything, things will work out properly for all of us. So I thank you very much for this visit, and I thank you for the gifts. On this other side, you talked about golf.
Jump.
Who plays golf here? Group chief executive or chairman? Okay, so next time we have a game of golf together.
Jump, yo.
And Vodafone, now Telecel, have been sponsoring my competition for all these years, and I believe strongly that now that you're here, you give the support to sponsor it properly. I heard from the group chief executive that it will be done appropriately.
Jump.
So I look forward to that. And I thank you very much for this visit. But thank you very much.
Yo.